Alright guys, those of you that know Vengeance Racing know we got this behemoth 53-foot trailer that we travel the country with, but we needed something smaller to run around town, alignment racks, body shops, things of that nature. So we visited our buddy Jeff Thompson at B&M Trailer Sales, picked up a Futura all aluminum construction open trailer here, and I'm just super impressed with it. I've got friends all over the place and customers that constantly ask us what trailer to buy, who to buy it from, and you know what's special about it. So I wanted to show you guys this thing firsthand. Again, all aluminum construction. It's super light. One hand. It's got a removable winch for the vehicle itself that you just pop this pin out, lift it up, and you can set it in this enclosure, lock it down. It's got a solar panel, so the battery for the winches are constantly charging as long as the sun's out. We're powered on here. We're at 12.7 volts. Probably the most notable feature of all is going to be the trailer itself. So we hold these buttons down for 5 seconds to activate the winch. I come over, I release a mechanism at each fender, and then just hit down. Now in this position, I can literally load any car that I want. No ramps, no extensions, and I can do so without the trailer being hooked to any vehicle. You can drive it on right now without it being connected to your truck, raise it back up, hook up and go. I mentioned the trailer being light. It's a whopping 1,100 pounds. It's got a 16.5-foot deck, and it'll hold a 5,600 pound vehicle. So we can put a fully accessorized Cadillac CTS-V on here with a couple of sets of wheels and tires up front and get on the road. To load up and go, once the vehicle's on, we just hit the up button and raise the trailer up. Winch stops automatically. Strap her down and you're on the road. This thing's extremely cool. I'll put the phone number to the company we purchased it from in the video. Give them a call. Come by and check this one out if you like. It's badass.